In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to log into TradeLocker using HeroFX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to HeroFX.co and then log into your account. From here it should look something like this. From here you'll need to go down to the left hand menu and go over and scroll down until you see more, and then go down to trading platform. Once from here, you'll be seeing an overview of all of the trading platforms that HeroFX will support. From here, you'll need to choose either TradeLocker Desktop, iOS app, Android app, or WebTrader. From here, you'll simply need to click Open Desktop, and from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go into Login. And once from here, you'll be able to see a chart where you can actually trade with specific symbols using HeroFX. From here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see Internet Market, and from here, you'll need to connect broker abroad. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over and add your email address that you used for HeroFX, the password, and the server. You'll be able to find the server inside of the Accounts tab over here, and then under Active HeroFX tabs, you'll just simply need to click on them, and then from here you'll be able to see which type of server that HeroFX supports. From here you'll simply need to click in the server and then click login. Once from here you'll be directed inside of this chart again, and you'll be able to begin trading using HeroFX inside of TradeLocker. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!